In this video, I will show you how to use two Snapchat apps on one phone. This can be useful if you want to keep personal and work accounts separate. It's also great for managing multiple accounts without needing another device. First things first, let's get started by accessing your device's settings. Swipe down from the top of your screen. Here, tap on the gear icon, located at the top right corner. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find an option labeled Advanced Features. Tap on Advanced Features to proceed. After entering Advanced Features, scroll down towards the bottom of the list. Here, you'll find an option called Dual Messenger. Tap on it, and you'll see all compatible apps that support this feature listed out for you. Among these applications is Snapchat. To enable two Snapchat apps, simply toggle on the switch next to its name. After toggling on Snapchat, tap Install. Your device will begin installing a second version of Snapchat alongside your original app. If you prefer keeping contacts distinct between both versions, perhaps separating work contacts from personal ones, you can toggle this switch on as well for use separate contact list. With everything set up, exit out of Settings and locate your new Snapchat icon. It should appear alongside your existing one. Open up your new Snapchat app and log in with your secondary account details or create a new account if needed. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.